Another day flying Mavic Mini, but right now I'm standing in a site where I almost crashed my drone. I found this incredible spot. Oh, hello bird. And I was like, I can do this. I can go straight down and head to the horizon. It will look cinematic. I felt rather pumped. I was like, okay, I'll challenge myself. And I went through the narrow passage. Even follow the bird. Lost signal for a bit. I redirected myself. And I was flying straight back to the home point because the battery was quite low. What happened? Let's see what Mavic Mini saw. Oh, I did not see that post. Ouch. This propeller hit the post. It survived, which is amazing. Luckily, and it is compliment to DJI, they made this drone pretty strong. I mean, I do have a bit of damage. I'm sure, I don't know whether you can see, but you can see like how there are some like blackened damage. However, it actually survived even after like hitting the post. So I'm pretty amazed. Actually, this cap came off. The battery probably wouldn't come up because it's very securely locked into the slot. But wow, that would have been a pretty scary experience. I mean, also luckily it happened like sort of on the ground rather than out in the ocean. And there are a lot of birds. Luckily they're not too bothered by it, but they do come quite close to the drone. I was a little bit scared. And I'll come back with other videos that share my experience with Mavic Mini. So please do stay tuned, subscribe, and like this video. And see you!